Hi guys, it's Barry Joyce here, and I just want to introduce you to a DeFi yield farming website that I came across about 3 weeks ago that I made an investment called Stake BNB. So it's the Binance coin. Now, this has been going, as I said, about 3 weeks now. As you can see here, I just invested one BNB, and it is currently my returns for a full cycle, which I'll come on to in a moment, is 2.5. So you're more than doubling your rewards. Now, I haven't made any form of withdrawal, and I want to do this live to make sure that it's working, and then I'll introduce you to the rest of the platform, and then I'm going to reinvest if I'm allowed to withdraw back in and show you from start to finish just exactly how you can get started with Stake BNB. So as you can see here, the farming progress, so far it's made 23.7% towards my cycle. So let's go and see if we can make a withdrawal first, because I haven't done this, and let's see if we can. So all I'm going to do now is just go over to wallet. And as you can see there, I've made about $100 from my investment so far within about 3 weeks. So as you can see, I made there's the date there. So the 9th of March that I made the investment. The time of this video is the 28th, okay, the 20th of March 2022. So let me just go and withdraw, and let's see what happens. Okay, so security pin not created. You must create a security pin in your profile area before withdrawing. Okay, so let's go and do that. Now, there's the image there. I'll come back to all of this, guys, once I've successfully made a withdrawal, if it's going to allow me to withdraw. Create a pin which will need to be added to an address or withdrawal fund. So let's just do a pin. So I've made my pin, and again, this is numerical digits only. All right, so it needs to be 5 long. So let's go. Oh, it's got to be 5, yeah. Okay, so it'll only allow you to do 5 anyway, so you've got to have the 5 digits. Okay, so let's confirm and see what happens now. Okay, so there's my pin. We will request this each time you withdraw or change your receiving address. Please take a note of the pin. Okay, so let's just confirm. So I've got my pin, and let's see what happens now. Okay, so that's the pin now created. So what I'm now assuming is I just go to withdraw, and let's see what happens. Okay, BNB wallet address needed before you can withdraw. Okay, so I need to go to my profile to add this in. So I'll just click continue, enter the wallet that you would like. So let me just go to close this and go to profile first. So it must be up here. So profile, there you go. Right, okay, so it's simple. What I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to one of my Binance accounts, and I'm going to get my BNB wallet address. For those people that may be using Binance, then you can follow this process straightforward. If you're not using Binance, then go to whatever you are using, whatever wallet you're using to get your address. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to get my Binance address. I'm just going to tip in there, and let's see if it comes up. There we go. So Binance there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just select deposit. So as you can see here at the moment, I've got a small amount of Binance BNB in there. It's only less than a dollar's worth. So all I'm going to do is just select deposit, and then I'm going to pick the smart chain, copy the wallet address, Go back over to BNB. Let's paste that in there. Just make sure it's all there. Confirm. Now it's asking for your PIN number that we've just created. So I'll add that in. Confirm. And there you go. Withdrawal request confirmed. Please allow 24 to 48 hours to withdraw the process. That's just covering all angles. It shouldn't take too long. Maybe anywhere between 5 and 15 minutes it should take. Okay, so I'm just going to pause the video, and once the transaction's complete, we will come back. Okay guys, so welcome back. I've just received an email from Binance. It's only been 15 minutes or so since we made the withdrawal, and it is telling me my deposit has been successfully laid into my Binance account. So let's just head over to Binance. The deposit has been successful. So if I was to just now go and then head over to my Fiat and Spot, and just in this one here, look, there we go, 0.213 Binance has been successfully deposited into my account, which is approximately $93. Okay guys, so you can see that is now actually working. What I'm going to do is I am now going to use them funds, and I'm just going to use my own referral link and just go through the process of setting up a new account. So all I would simply do is I head back over to my profile. No, I'll not. I will go to marketing. There's my link there. I'm paste it in here, and that's where I'm taken to here. Now this is the home site. So as you can see, you can just stake your BNB. 3 simple steps: stake, farm, cycle. Okay, so get started. So I'm going to use a different email, of course. Username. Password. Confirm. Country. Register. So once you've done that, it will send you a link to your email. So I'll just head over to my email. Okay, so that is now the account verified. So what we need to do now is, firstly, what we're going to do is we are going to make our stake. So what we'll do is head over to stake. And just for the purposes here, I'm just going to do the 0.1. So you can start with as little as $43. So I'm just going to select that. Stake BNB. And all it's doing now is you need to copy the address and the exact amount it's showing you there. Now, don't make the mistake of putting added extra in like I did on my first account, because I thought it would have added the funds into my balance. It doesn't. So basically I dipped out on about 40, 50 odd dollars by being silly and not realising. So copy the exact amount there. So all you do is just copy the address, head over to your wallet where you're holding your BNB. So in my case, it is Binance. And then all I'm going to do is select withdraw, paste the address in. I'm using the Smart Chain Binance, and then go back over for the exact amount. Just to make sure it's all correct. Yep, ready, and withdraw. Confirm. Now what it's going to do is It's going to ask me, yeah, thought it would. So I just need to confirm by my cell phone and also via email. So I'm just going to get code for the phone, and then I'm going to get code for my email. So let me do that now. And now enter the code from my cell phone. So as you can see there, it can take anywhere up to 12 hours to complete. So I'm just going to click complete. It shouldn't take that long. I'm going to stop the video and come back when the funds have been received into stake BNB. Hi guys, and welcome back again. Now the Binance deposit has now been successful in the new account, and as you can see there, 0.1 Binance. Now, just a couple of things here just to point out. You don't have to do these things, but I would recommend personally that you do, and I'm going to do it, and I'm going to show you how to do it. It's by boosting your cycle rate. And if you see here, look, it says you're currently not earning on the highest rate. So, of course, to boost now, what you do is you're just boosting your plan for a faster cycle. And all it simply is just for $10. That's all it is. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to boost now, and I'm just going to click there. And what will probably happen is another pop-up, look. So we're going to just copy that address. Go back over to my Binance. Withdraw. Place the address in. Go back over and get the exact amount. Again, make sure it's the exact amount. Don't do what I did and put extra in thinking you're going to have extra credits. You're not. Withdraw. Confirm. It's going to ask me again for email confirmation and phone. So I'm just going to get my verification codes. Phone, and let's go to submit. That's it. Now complete. Okay, so I'm just going to close that. And what will happen is when that is cleared, it'll come up and it'll be boosted. So rather than pause the video for a third time, we'll just head over and I'll show you how this works on the other account that we've just referred from. So this is the account that I showed you right at the very start, where I just started off an investment of 1 BNB here. So of course this is the interface there. Now as you can see, this here, once that is the funds is cleared, your farming boost is active and currently staking at the highest percentage rates. That's what will show up on your other account, okay, or the account that I've just created there. So as you can see here, and it tells you, I'm just going to show if you wanted to promote and share things, if you have blogs, websites, or you want to share it with family, I'll show you how to do that in a moment. But on your farming rewards, if you were to just click on here, it tells you all your rewards there. So farming rewards for today, your total farming rewards, which was the $100 as mentioned before, and the stake performance is at 250%, which is 24.28% so far. And as you can see, you're actually earning every hour. So you're earning passive BNB, be all of it just in small amounts, but every single hour. And you can keep a track on that by just heading over into the farming rewards. your crowd farming, I'll show you the PDF file on information on that, your cycles, etc. So whenever you're going through one of your cycles, it'll just show up there, and you're seeing us withdraw the wallet. You'll notice down here as well, so the networking, so if you click on there, if you're sharing it with families and friends, it'll tell you there. So there's my active one, so there's the one that we've just set up there. It hasn't boosted yet, but that will have boosted. You've just seen me create the boost there. So going over back over to the home. So if you just go into the stake, again, this will show you exactly what you can earn. So there's the one there. So I've just set that one up at 0.1. So my returns for the 0.1, that's shown 2.75. Ignore that because that is my current one that I've done. If I just quickly jump over and I'll show you on here, look, stake. There we go, so 0.5. So the rewards I will get once this cycle's finished for the new account for 0.1 will be 0.5. Then that would be your returns of 0.2, 0.5, so on and so forth. So that is how you would just calculate what your returns would be. So if you're fortunate enough to put 50 BNB in, you're going to receive 125 BNB back. Not bad, eh? So I'll just head quickly back over. You've seen the wallet, so you now know how to set the wallet up. There's your account. So there's the account history again. That's where I put in, look. So, you know, I was going to start off when I did originally, and I didn't follow through because I went to put two 0.5s in, then decided, well, if I'm putting them in, I might as well put a full one in. So they were approved. There's me boost a lot. So that was approved. I paid actually $44 for the booster on one BNB. So please note, if you're putting more than 0.1 in, the boosting fee will vary. And of course, there's me withdrawal fee of proof of today. If you wanted to share it again, you know, some great promotional tools here. You've got your banners that you can just download. So you would just select on it, download it, whatever size banner, and put it into your website. You have a video. So there's the video there, Stake promotional BNB video. Have developed. Just pause that there. But if you wanted that, then you just download it. And here's your staking guide here. So I'd highly recommend, you know, even before you can, you know, you make an investment, just scroll through it. It just tells you everything. Every hour, you're all about the crowd farming that I mentioned before, the staking, the commissions, the boost, all of that type of thing there. So that is your promotional tools there. And if you're going to be sharing it, that's where you would find your link. So that's it, guys. So good luck if you're going to invest. What I will do as well, I will post regular updates when I'm making other withdrawals, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.